Today I'm in Kensett, Arkansas. There's a train coming, I think. I'll be here for a minute, so. There's a lot of damage to this crossing. That's where this crossing is. This one's really bad. You can see just how bad some of this stuff has become. And I'll go grab a little video of the maintenance of equipment that's over here, but looks like they're about to replace all of that, so that's awesome. And we've got a train coming. I've got to head out here shortly. It'd be fun to watch them do all this. But there is a train coming, and it is headed northbound. That's the UP line. It's a little way still, be a minute. This is a really fun place to watch. There's a lot of traffic right here. And there's also a little line that goes, and it services a few companies there in Searcy. So it's really cool. There's one of the little tracks that go over. They'll usually park cars right there and wait for a while. And then the line actually, on the other side of the next crossing up there is where the line actually goes into Searcy. There's also, if you're in the area, this is also great because there is just not far from here, a railroad bridge that goes over the river. It's a little bit far to be able to really see videos of it, but it's really fun to go over the river and watch it because there's an old bridge also that you drive across. So if you're driving across that bridge while the train's going over its bridge, it's just cool to see. Had some good lash ups today, so I'm curious to see what this one's going to be. We've also heard the Spirit is around right now, so it'd be awesome to catch it. I'm going to see if we can. I've got to go to Little Rock today, so I'm going to actually see if I can grab it somewhere. It's taking a minute, but it's headed this way. That is one of the fun things about this area. It is flat as can be. So you can hear them and see them for miles and miles. And there's, between the little towns that are through here, you can kind of jump in by the tracks for a while, and then you can just make it go out just a little bit and then come right back to the tracks. So you can stay on the tracks for a long, long drive. We like to pace trains down through here too in Higginson. All right, here we go.